As a doctor, I see this every day. Most of the people are not tired because of work. They are tired because they're forcing themselves to live out of rhythm. Now, what is rhythm? For that, you need to understand what are we living with. Most of the time, we are trying to achieve goals. We're trying to do and complete our task. We're trying to multitask to complete everything in certain pace of time. Everything is time bound, and which is not bad. Only thing is, when it comes as a force, that's when the stress is created. That's when the burnout happens. We need to not live with force or with the control from within to do something better than others or be in the rat race to be the best by comparing with whatever you have a comparison zone. We are not supposed to be somebody living within a control range, whether it is an outside control or from within there's a control. But we're supposed to live with rhythm. Like how nature lives. Sun rises at certain time with a rhythm. It sets in a certain time with rhythm. There are seasons in a rhythm. The flower blooms in a rhythm. The ocean waves are hitting the shore with a rhythm. So there's a rhythm to life. In fact, we also have a rhythm within our body. The heart beats in a rhythm. Our breathing is in a rhythm. So many of our organs are functioning with each other in a rhythm. They are in alignment. When we fall out of the alignment, that's when the stress is created. That's when we fall sick also, and that's where the healing is required. For which you need to pause, take a deep breath, and listen to yourself. When your tasks or when your achievements or when your living comes out of a compulsion, when it comes out of a fear of a rejection or a failure, when it comes as something which you don't do, you feel restless because you feel you're falling out of something. You're not doing what everyone else is doing. Probably you're lazy. So when that kind of self-talks are there, that's when you're actually getting control, and that's a force. There's nothing harm in being disciplined because discipline is something which makes you start your journey, but rhythm is something which will make it sustain. Now, what do I mean by that? I just want to make you aware of something very important. When anything comes out of fear, that's discipline. When something comes out of love, that is rhythm. Everything that is flowing is a rhythm. A music is a rhythm. The water which is flowing has a rhythm. The bird that's singing has a rhythm. Your body is in a rhythmic motion. When you disturb this rhythm by a force, that's when the stress is created and you keep pushing till you burn out. Hence, something which you need to know about stress is that you are out of rhythm. You are out of alignment. Let's get into alignment for healing. How do we understand that? So I'm not saying discipline is not important. Discipline will start your journey. So if you have to get up at 4 in the morning, you will have to force it in habit, for which you need to set in discipline of getting at 4, putting an alarm and getting up at that time every day. Doing your exercise, doing your meditation, taking time for yourself, all this you can discipline in the initial state. But later on, that becomes your rhythm. If you don't do one day, you don't get scared that you'll fall ill or you have missed something. You actually know today I need a rest so that I can rest and breathe quietly. You know that now, since I have disciplined my body will wake up with the rhythm at that time. How? Because the body sets itself into rhythm. You don't have to force the body will align. And hence, you will get up in the morning and you will feel fresh at that point of time. How a sun rises, you will be also able to rise with the sun. And how the sun sets, you will be also able to rest with it. You will follow the rhythm of the nature when you align with the nature. And that's not a force. That's something which you are flowing with the nature. And that gives you a lot of freedom. lot of internal peace, because you're not fighting with yourself, you're just flowing with the nature. You are now able to listen to your body and be available to it without even trying to push it, but just being present to it. That's an alignment, that's a balance, and that's where healing starts. Hence, discipline is important to a certain extent to start the journey. Rhythm is to maintain and sustain it. Discipline with force will create a burnout, whereas rhythm without an awareness may not be consistent. Hence, both go hand in hand. But get aware when it is getting operated with fear, when it is getting operated with the control, when it is getting operated with the compulsion, and when it is flowing with the life. That's when it becomes something effortless and you feel free. And I just hope this all to all of you. Hope this video has added some value to your life. Do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.